Alas, poor Lucky. I liked him as a cat. I love him as a cocktail.
It's not Lucky. It's a stray.
Well, it's not a roadkill, is it?
No.
Good, because I have my standards. Is it kosher?
Just drink it.
All right.
Well, at least it wasn't a hiccup.
Are you cured?
I don't know.